Hello and welcome to today's video. I am going to be looking at thumbnail sketches to help with composition and how I use them. I am going to be doing a little studio tour and a little bit of a few scenic interludes because Cornwall's just so beautiful. So I hope you enjoy today's video. For me, thumbnails are a place where I can try out my design ideas. I can try out placements, I can try out different composition ideas, and then choose the one that I like the best to actually turn into a painting. I can play with what to put in, what to leave out. I can try colour, placement, and it gives me an overall visual impression of what my future painting may look like. And it's a really useful tool. I went to Wheel Uni, I'm not quite sure if I'm saying it right, and looked out from there over to Cornwall. Didn't have very long, got a quick impression of it down, but I was just loving the colours of the ruggedness of the hills next to the patchworks of the fields and the colour contrast and these beautiful shapes in the fields. So check out this stunning view. This is Cornwall in Cornwall, Redruth, and I've got Wheel Uni behind me, and this is where I was sketching. By drawing my thumbnail over and over again, I'm hopefully going to improve my composition. It should give me a much stronger composition at the end. It's a private process, and I don't normally share my thumbnails with people, but I am sharing them with you today. You can see they're just some quite quick, scruffy drawings, but what I'm doing is I'm just capturing the essence, and hopefully I will get a much better composition at the end just through this experimentation. Giggling because I'm really struggling with this foreground. Don't still know what I want to do with it after all these little thumbnail sketches. Just tried some other things, tried some mark making to look like it was going down a hill, but it didn't look right anyway. And then I made them wobbly to try and make it look like it was going down. Maybe a little bit better, still don't like it. Then fiddled again with the track and maybe thinking about some mark making for grass. I don't think I want to go into that much detail in the foreground. I am working on another little drawing here. I've actually gone up to A4 paper now. Technically this is supposed to be another thumbnail, but I just thought if I drew it up a bit bigger for you, you'd be able to see it a little bit more easily than on small scale. And sometimes once I've done some thumbnails, I may just go onto a slightly bigger piece of paper just so that I can get a better impression, because by this stage I may be starting to feel a bit more decided in the composition that I have chosen. I'm not sure that I have quite chosen it yet, but I'm definitely going to work on this A4, pretend it's a thumbnail, and I will try and talk you through it. So I'm just starting to add some colour, and I'm starting to add some contours going down the hill, so to give you impression of the hillside going down into the valley. Here I'm just adding some new colour in to try the brambles at the front to see how that looks. So again, it's just experimentation, it's just trying things, and if I don't like it, I don't have to put it in, but it gives me a visual impression, and I'm just trying some more colours. So I really hope just having a little chat about thumbnails is useful and how I'm using them and just the reasons why they're so useful. They're just a brilliant way of you not wasting lots of your time. So for a 30-second sketch or a 5-minute sketch, 10-minute sketch, it's worth putting that little bit of time up front so that you don't make lots of mistakes, and you will definitely find that your composition will improve and will get stronger by doing this. Here is my mini studio tour. I've got my sink here, and very important in my little kitchenette is my coffee making facilities. I usually start the day with one of those. And then I've got my big table. I just moved everything around because I used to weave in and out of the furniture before, but now it's got a much better flow to it. I'm much happier with it this way around. I've got a little table here that the idea is that I'm meant to work on my computer or my laptop here, but yeah, it's not quite happening at the moment. I've got some paintings up on some of my new paintings up on the wall, paintings in progress. This is the table I've been working on for this video, and I've got my acrylic paints and some pens and various different things, felt tips and pastels and all sorts of different equipment over there. And I've got some more artwork up over here and some prints, and I've got another little great table here, so I've got plenty of space to stretch out. Come back over here. I've got a whole stack of canvases next to the fridge. I've got my big easel, and I've got some tabletop easels as well. And down this end I've got some more storage, I've got fabrics, and then I kind of keep my oil paint sort of up on top there and on the shelf here. And then in that little room there is a little bathroom. So that is the tour. It's gorgeous and bijou and perfectly formed. I've drawn my thumbnail up onto a large sheet of paper, and then I will transfer this onto a canvas, and I'll show you the painting in another video. I really enjoyed, I'm glad through working through the thumbnail images, I'm really quite happy with this piece here. I love the wibbly striped lines. I played with it a little bit further to the point where I was happy with it, and I just think it adds a fun element, so hopefully, fingers crossed, that's going to work. And I'm just going to decide on where most of my plants and trees are gonna go. I may add a few more in as I'm putting my ground on, but get the basic structures like the houses in place and some of the trees at least, and I can always add a few bushes and things at a later date. But for now, that's all I'm going to do, and I will show you this in another video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you've enjoyed this little video. Please do like, subscribe and press the notification button if you'd like some more content. It really helps my little channel grow if you do this, so thank you in advance if you do. But for today, thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time, and there's another little scenic interlude coming up. Thank you. I went for a walk this morning and I looked at the sky and I just thought I had to film it for you because it's stunning, and then it made me laugh because there's a big row of police cones which kind of spoilt the shot.